I'm gonna show you how to make a blackened chicken sandwich today, and it's so good. It's juicy, it's got avocado, sourdough. It's not just a chicken sandwich. Okay, so we're working with a chicken breast, and I'm gonna blacken it, okay? So I'm basically just seasoning it really well, and you can use whatever you like, okay? I kind of like smoked paprika, it gives it that smoky flavor to it. And I'm using a touch of flour, and that really helps to blacken and get it nice and golden color, okay? Some onion powder, just all to taste, right? Pasilla pepper, this is also very, very smoky, amazing. And then everything I just did, we're gonna flip, and we're gonna do the same thing on both sides. I'm gonna preheat this stovetop here I have. Get it nice and hot, right? We want it to have a really nice crust on top. Gives it that really good smoky flavor. Okay, more smoked paprika. By the way, love smoked paprika. Sweet paprika, you don't really taste as much. All right, like that. My chicken hand stays here. We're not double dipping. Okay, perfect. I am ready. I'm gonna wash my hands from chicken. All right, I'm gonna get this nice and hot. Let's crank it. Add some olive oil. Okay, so this is nice and hot. Generous amount of olive oil in there. It's like really shimmery. It's almost starting to smoke, right? Are you guys ready? You want to hear a nice sizzle. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Perfect. Now I'm not going to play with this. I'm going to let it do its thing. And we're going to cut this amazing sourdough. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna take 2 even slices here, just so it's nice and even for my sandwich. Okay, my avocado, we're gonna slice it. Okay, we're gonna quarter, remove this. Beautiful. I like my avocado thinly sliced. Just so it's like adds that nice creaminess to your sandwich, but you don't get chunks. I don't like chunks of anything, to be honest, in my sandwich. Even if it's a tomato, I love a very thinly sliced tomato. I don't like it when it's like chunks and you're taking a bite and everything is just falling out of your mouth. Okay, so we're almost ready to flip this. And you know how I know? Because you're getting that white around the chicken breast. That means it's like probably half cooked on one side. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful golden like dark crust from that smokiness. And the flour, oh, so good. I'm just gonna tidy up my cutting board here a little. And you know what? When you don't know what your chicken is at, I hate overcooked chicken. And when it's dry, just use a thermometer, right? So a breast should be about 135 when you take it off the heat and then let it rest. So mine is 115, 120. Poke it a couple of times, it's all good. I'd rather be safe than sorry, right? I use my thermometer a lot because I like juicy meat, okay? I don't want it to be, you know. Okay, almost there. Then we're gonna set it aside and we're gonna actually let it rest. Always let your meat rest, okay? At least 5 minutes. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Okay. In goes my bread. Same pan, okay? I still have some fat in here. All that flavor, it's all there, and I want it all in my sandwich. And remember my technique, I always toast only one side, so you get the crustiness, and then you get the chewiness inside from this beautiful sourdough. And this is gonna go quite fast, so I'm actually gonna turn it right off. Oh yeah, look at that, beautiful. Look at that, oh, almost there. I'm gonna cut open my garlic clove because I'm gonna rub my sourdough with it, okay? Actually, I want hot sauce. I love hot sauce on my sandwich. I use Valentina, I love it. Beautiful, so that's gonna come right off. Rub this with garlic, it's nice and fragrant. Oh, it smells so good in here. A little salt. I'm gonna set that aside and I'm gonna slice my chicken breast. It's so juicy, like, oh, just like shimmering. Okay, let's slice this. Look at this, it's so juicy, oh my God. I just wanna thinly slice it, okay? No chunks. I don't like chunks in my sandwiches, okay? Perfect, that's gonna go on this plate. And then this is the fun part where we get to assemble this, okay? So, chicken. Beautiful, chicken. Then we got my avocado. Just a thin layer again, right? Like that. Beautiful. A little black pepper, because why not? A little more salt, because why not? Because I love my salt. And then hot sauce. You don't have to do this. You can do cheese. You can do whatever you want, right? And mayo. I love my mayo. You know that. I use a lot of mayo. All right, and you can do whatever you want, right? You can use leftovers. If you have some pesto leftover, oh, that would be so good. Chimichurri, whatever, right? Perfect. Look at this sexy sandwich. Crispy, juicy. Oh, all right, look at this. Oh my God, it looks so sexy, okay? I'm so excited. I'm gonna dig in. Oh my God, I wasn't even hungry. Best chicken sandwich you'll ever have, I promise. It's crispy on the outside, it's juicy on the inside, all that delicious mayo, hot sauce, avocado makes it creamy. You have to try this sandwich. It's amazing. Make it. See you next time. My boogers came out.